Hey everyone, this is an Atome credit card review. As you can see, we're on the official Reddit page, and it says that the card acts like a debit card, but the service itself is a credit card, which means that if it's a debit card, it should have been called an e-wallet, but you have to deposit a balance, but in this case you don't. Also, as you can see, it's a buy now pay later type of card. The installment rates are too high, and it's a good choice for individuals who wants to get their hands on a credit card clone. And at first, your transactions will be restricted to certain things, because you're treated as like high risk, so you need to pay for small amounts first and then lift that due. And also, you can do it through pay to go or insta pay. And yeah, brace yourself from calls from the collecting agents. They'll bug you every 3 days, things like that. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.